Hello world, welcome to Code with Suresh, your go-to-go destination for mastering the JavaScript. So welcome to JavaScript course for front end. So we are going to start from the core concept of JavaScript. So initially we are going to see the overview of JavaScript. After that we are going to learn the basic concept. After that we'll move forward advanced features. And why not the modern JavaScript, the ECMAScript as well. After that we are going to make real world projects as well. At the introduction we are going to learn language versatility. After that we are going forward towards the core concept and why developers like it. We will all see in introduction. After that introduction there is a course structure like JavaScript, why JavaScript is important for the web development. Also we are going to handle the server side development as well, and then we see the code execution. How will the code execute in the JavaScript? Yes, and then we are going to work with the numbers. In numbers we'll see the mathematical operators, then we'll do the calculations, data manipulations, programming functions, and the data analyze as well. We also are going to work with the boolean types like true and false. Yes, and afterward we are going towards the comparison operators, in which we are going to use equality operator, inequality operator, strict and loose comparison as well. We are going to cover all these as well. After that we are going to use manipulating string type, different string properties, and string interpolation as well. And we also going to cover type conversion as well. There are two type. We will see both implicit and explicit conversion as well. And we also going to work with the variables as well, like we will see the difference between let, const, and var, and then we'll work with the variable declaration. Then we'll going jump into the scope, and the after scope the hosting, where to use a let, const, var. We'll see all these as well. After this we are going to work with the logical operators. In logical operators we are going to use see the AND operator. We are going to see the NOT operator and OR operator as well by the hands on JavaScript. And after that we are going to use conditional statement as well. Going to see if and else statement, nested condition. By these you will learn the how to make the decision making code. And we also going to see the switch statement as well. In switch statement you will see the where to use the JavaScript code and where to not. And also we are going to use loops as well. In loops you will see the for loop, while loop, for off loop, for in loop, do while loop. We will cover all the loops as well. Yes, and after that we are going to see the functions as well. In functions we are start with the first very basic functions. After that we are going into different type of function like arrow function, anonymous functions, and we also see the callback function, callback help functions, and scope variable, global or local. So we are also going to cover all these as well. Yes, after that we'll move toward the advanced JavaScript like JavaScript object and method. In object and method we are going to see that their properties as well, where to use method and where to use object. So we will see with these properties as well. We also going to use the JSON handling. We will work with the API, where to use how to get the data and where to use which API. We also working with the free APIs as well. After that we are going to work with the map data structure. Map data structure is help you to like work it on your logic. Yes, and the set structure as well, that's also working very helpful for you to work on your basic concept. Then we'll work the set operation and the problem solving. So this is all about the increase the logics of solving the problem as well. Yes, after that we have a lot of array functions as well. We are going to cover each and everything in array. Like we will start with the array introduction, then we'll see the array techniques, and for each method, filter, reduce, each and everything from very basic, very starting. Yes, let's, this is the most beautiful concept of JavaScript, the ES6 ECMAScript 6 script features. In this way we are going to learn template, arrow function, enhance object literal, default parameters, spread operator, rest operator. We are going to learn all in ECMAScript 6. We also going to work with the oops as well, because oops is very important in web development as well. So we are going to covering the oops as well. In oops we will start with the oops introduction, then this keyword, and then constructor and other class modifier, encapsulations, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. We're going to cover all these topics from very start. Like we'll start from here oops, and then we'll go into the key, this keyword, factory, prototype, class, and OOP principle. We're going to cover each and everything in oops as well. After that we will work with the more JavaScript functions like sync and async programming, callback, hell and promises, async function and timer, data handling and fetching. We are going to cover each and everything in this course as well. So thank you for watching my video. Please click on the bell icon so you will get a video with timely. Thank you so much.